Wherever life takes you, Healthy Joy Energy Bar keeps you fueled. Power up your workouts with clean, sustained energy. Tackle busy days with a quick, wholesome meal on the go. Meet your slimming goals with a satisfying, low-carb meal replacement. And when it's time to unwind, enjoy guilt-free snacking for those leisurely moments. Our energy bar is your new age of clean fuel. No high GI cane sugar, no maltodextrin, just clean, lasting fuel that works in harmony with your body. Thanks to its low GI formula, Healthy Joy Energy Bar helps maintain steady blood sugar levels by releasing energy gradually. This steady release provides long-lasting energy so you can stay active and focused throughout the day. In contrast, high GI bars cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by energy crashes that leave you feeling sluggish and drained. Healthy Joy offers a wholesome choice that fuels you without the burden, just pure, nourishing ingredients, with nothing artificial. Fuel your journey with the energy bar that fits your life.